face-to-face nomination. Gusto ko na malaman.
Yeah,
I really want to know na. Third time na, bro.
No, but my everything talaga. Everything is good naman.
Yeah, man.
Diba? No problem.
May rule pa tayo na pag may problema, sasabihin. Tapos, di ba golden rule nyo yun?
Ako nagulat to.
Maya-maya pa, si Michael nagbukas na ng nararamdaman kay Emilio.
I hope you understand lang, this is my third time. And I told myself, if ma-nominate ulit ako this time, after, like, honestly bro, I gave it all nung leader ako. Tapos, yes, I made a mistake nung last weekly task natin, but inasikaso ko yung sa Bini, gusto ko agad ayusin yun. I really tried. I don't care about, again, nomination. It's just, well, I care in a sense na parang, you guys aren't playing fair. Oh, wow. I'm just shocked. I'm just shocked. Do they still think I'm not being real at this point?
Oo nga. Maybe me, because I'm new. Baka they feel like I'm not being real. Pero sana bigyan tayo ng chance. Lumaban pa.
Yeah. Actually, this goes to show that you do good or bad on a task. If they like you, they'll keep you.
Yeah nga
It's crazy, no? There's a favoritism going on in this house.
Sure, ball.
And there's a bunch of play safes going around in this house.
Oo, dami.
I was really expecting that this week I was going to be able to have a break. Kasi siguro po at this point, lahat na lang nung mga sinabi nila for the reasons I was nominated last times, I took into account and I wanted to adjust for them, not for me. Kasi nung una po parang naramdaman ko na alone ulit ako. I've been really trying. Ginagawa ko na lahat, na nahimik na ako, or makakipagkulitan ako. Lahat, sinubukan ko na po lahat. But I just feel like wala talaga po, parang ayaw nila talaga sa akin. Doon po ako nalulungkot kasi parang gusto ko lang maramdaman kahit isang week na ma-sure na, uy Michael, gusto ka namin dito. Pero kasi nakapagod din po kasi ang hirap din sa feelings. I mean, yung kaba ko po every time ayoko ipakita, pero talagang ang sakit. Kasi never naman po ako sure kung mag-stay pa ako, kung mananominate ako. Gusto ko lang po sana ng konting pahinga, breather lang. Pero wala po third time.